Back with day 2 of the 30 or 28-day challenge. Today we're going to be working with the Schmincke Trio and Haze. So we've got the Haze Pink, the Haze Indigo, and the Haze Brown to work with. So let's get started. Okay, timer is started. I'm going to start off with a little bit of the Haze Pink. It's crazy because that looks a little... It's crazy because it looks a little dark for pink, but it's really pretty. It's such a pretty color. And it's really fun granulating color. We also might do some aqua pasto today, just to kind of switch it up. Let's see what we get. I want this to come down a little bit through here. This is a very strong color. I'll put some lines through here. I'm going to add in a little bit of the haze blue. Just sort of right through here. Let's see what happens. I did tape my paper down today, so I'm pretty happy about that. These granulating colors work great on a textured paper, and I'm using the Canson cold press paper today. They also work if you use, they like water, very water friendly. Let's put a little bit more of that through here. I think I want to bring a little bit more just through here. I feel like it needs just a little bit. Oh, that's really pretty. Like where this is going. Okay, so let's use a little bit of the haze brown and just kind of, I don't know how this one's, I've used this one before. I'm just going to be very generic with it. Let's put some more lines through here. Get kind of line happy today. Get a smaller brush. We need a little bit more of that indigo through here. Love working in these washes. What happens if we mix? Let's mix a little bit of the indigo and the brown together. Should give us a really fun gray color that we can separate just a little bit through there. And I'm thinking, what happens if we add a bit of aqua pasto to the pink? Like, what are we gonna get? I don't think I've really used the granulating colors with the aqua pasto, so this will be a different experiment. I think I just want to bring it like through here a little bit. Let's get out our color shaper, which hopefully doesn't have a lot of goop on it. Ooh, that's fun. I mean, obviously they're not going to granulate when they're in the aqua pasto. Let's put another layer like through here. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Can scratch back in, create some textures. Ooh, that's fun. Create make some textures through here. And my goal for this project is really just to see, like, if I can make something, you know, usable in 10 minutes. Something that makes sense in 10 minutes. I don't think I like the aqua pasta so much with this. I mean, it's fine. It's just, first of all, it's never going to dry in 10 minutes. So let's come in with a little bit of the charcoal in this neutral tinted color. I just kind of want to bring some marks through here. Trying not to get into that aqua pasto because that is not dry. That made a nice mark. Let's try a little bit of this is the Derwent Mountain Blue in the charcoal. That's way too wet. 4 minutes. Wow, 10 minutes goes by fast. It's crazy. Okay, let's I'm gonna do a little bit of dry brush over this. Just to give us a little, change some little differences through here. I like that blue. I think I need a little bit of that blue through here. You know what? We might need just a little bit more of the indigo, maybe. A little pure color. This timer's kind of freaking me out. What about a little bit more of the haze and a little darker spot? Like through here. And then, oh, I like this color. I really love this color. I need this in a watercolor. That's what I need. Okay. Let's get into the final touches here. I think I want to add a little bit of this glowing embers because it kind of matches like what we got on there. And we can add in a little bit of that color. Ooh, that aqua pasta did dry pretty fast though. I didn't put it on very thick. Let's get that a little wet. I think these colors are really shine when they're these Derwents when they're a little wet. I feel like they respond better to let the colors really come out when they're a little wet. Let's put some of that over here. What do you think? We got 1:40 left. Let's smooth this out a little bit. Let me do a little lifting. I'm liking it. I like what we've done so far. Do I want more of this blue in here? Maybe. I hope that by the end of this that I'm not really thinking about the timer, because right now that's all I'm thinking about is the timer. So that's going to be a problem. I think I need some, this is the dark on the Derwent charcoal. I want some darker marks through here. And maybe I have a pencil, that would be good. What's this? This is a Pit Pastel pencil. I just want to make some more marks through here. Okay, that is the end of our time. All right, let's get a mat out and look at it. Oh, wow, this one's really pretty. I really like this one. These colors work so well together, and sometimes that's the beauty of working in a set that comes, you know, these trios, they come together. They're meant to be used together, so you don't have to think about color harmony and all of that stuff. But adding in bits of the charcoal really adds some pop to it. I mean, I really love that haze pink and how it granulated with that blue indigo is pretty. And the brown is nice too. It's a nice difference in between. Working in a limited palette is very fun. I'm not sure about the Aquapasto. I don't think that worked. I don't think it was really that successful with the Schmincke colors. So maybe we'll try it with, I'm not sure why it didn't really work. And maybe it's because of the granulation. I'm not quite sure why, but I mean, it kind of worked, but it's not really as bold as what I'm used to. But I love the charcoal marks. This part down here is like my favorite bit. Like, I like how it kind of flows you back into there, giving you sort of some abstract landscapey feels. And I like a pink sky. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. Okay, so I'll be back tomorrow with day 3 of our 28 days of art. I still haven't come up with the name of it yet. 28 days of 10-minute art challenge. So yeah, thanks for watching. Click over here if you missed yesterday's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.